Welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 5 minutes. I'm your host, Morris Willie. Today, I'm discussing ILUS's update on them entering the Metaverse and them providing an update on their acquisitions. At the ILUS annual shareholder meeting held earlier this year, the company spoke of its vision for wearable technology to be used in firefighting and emergency response. Following through on this vision, ILUS has officially launched its wearable technology project with the goal of utilizing big data and the latest in artificial intelligence to train and protect first responders and warfighters. The company is entering into a joint venture with what it believes is the world's leading haptic suit manufacturer and will be launching the ILUS suit. The software technology for the specific scenarios in which the suit will be used is currently being developed by the existing ILUS acquisition, CurveRx. The company's initially focusing on software development for the defense and firefighting sector. In training scenarios, the haptic suit provides real-world feedback and monitoring capabilities. In a virtual reality training scenario using the suit, the trainee can feel heat, cold, rain, and realistic real-life stimuli, as well as haptic feedback that realistically mimics weapon recoil or the kick from a firefighting nozzle. The suit's sensors capture and record motion for performance monitoring, which is so vital in defense and emergency response settings. It also monitors the user's physical state through its biometry system. The cardiorespiratory system is monitored to give feedback on the user's oxygen saturation levels, heart rate, and pulse rate variability. Although this is only a snapshot of the suit's capability, the data it provides enables CurveRx to develop personalized virtual and augmented reality content for military and firefighting training, as well as related applications. In addition to training, the solution is also being developed for use during live missions or incidents to monitor performance, collect and analyze data, as well as provide dynamic situational information to its users. When deployed properly, the training of warfighting and first responders in a virtual simulated environment means that trainees can complete training at multiple locations simultaneously. Simulation is also safer and more cost-effective. This does not mean that virtual reality training should replace live training exercises, and the ideal solution can be found in the deployment of both virtual and live environment training. Therefore, the ILUS suit is being designed for use in both virtual and live environments. The virtual suit training market for defense alone is expected to exceed $5 billion by 2026. Several companies and organizations are already interested in the ILUS suit for their specific applications. Plans are in place to conduct specific prototype testing with the interested parties towards the end of 2022. ILUS then plans to demonstrate the ILUS suit's capability at the Intersect exhibition in Dubai from the 17th to 19th of January in 2023. Today's video is sponsored by the subscribe button. Go ahead and subscribe to Morris Money so you never miss out on the latest stock market news, should you buy videos, should you sell videos, and the latest information on your favorite stocks. So don't forget to subscribe to Morris Money. Regarding acquisitions, ILUS and its subsidiaries are in the final stages of due diligence for 5 acquisitions, where letters of intent have been signed, and the company hopes to close at least 2 of these acquisitions soon. Final stages of due diligence are underway for the acquisition of 2 wildfire equipment manufacturers, a U.S.-based fire protection installation company, and 2 defense technology manufacturers, one of which includes a drone division with existing product and revenue. In total, ILUS is currently at various stages of negotiation with 13 potential acquisitions and is confident it will achieve its 2022 and 2023 revenue goals. The managing director of ILUS, John Paul Backwell, commented, "Having recently the opportunity to test what will become the ILUS suit, I was absolutely stunned by how immersive and realistic the technology was. I am pleased that we are working closely with the world's leading haptic suit manufacturer, which holds several technology patents, and I believe we are ahead of the curve regarding what we are developing for the defense and firefighting sectors." On the acquisition front, we are moving forward as planned towards exciting announcements. Added to that, we now also have several much larger acquisitions in negotiation. This is a lot to take in, and I gotta say, I'm happy we're hearing more from ILUS again, and I love talking about them on the channel, and you guys seem to like it too. But let me know what you think about all this news below. I love ILUS's growth, but somebody commented on my last ILUS video talking about how they won't be profitable anytime soon. And I obviously agree. And I don't expect them to be profitable anytime soon. The company seems to be in a growth phase where they're planning on growing and expanding. This comes with a lot of debt and honestly a lot of risk to shareholders. Again, I talked about how they were issuing more shares and they just got another line of credit, which isn't bad, but it does bring some risk. But you should know this going into investing into a company like ILUS that's in the process of acquiring brands and trying to build a conglomerate of a company. I said I don't expect the company to be profitable for at least around 3 years or so. Now, they might be buying companies that could be profitable, but as it seems right now, they're buying nothing but revenue producing companies, which isn't bad. But something I definitely want to see from ILUS, which I think everybody will want to see, is them turning a profit. And I guess we'll get to see in the second quarter results how much revenue they're bringing in, along with the expenses and possible debt they have. So assets, debt, revenue, and potential liabilities are all things we gotta look out for in the upcoming second quarter results. But let me know what you think about all this below. We definitely ran over 5 minutes today, but there was a lot to get through, and then obviously my comments extended it longer. So I'm gonna end the video off here. How do you feel about all this news? And I'll extend the question to you. How long do you think it will be until ILUS could be a profitable company? Please don't take this video as financial advice, and thank you for watching Morris Money.